Hi, welcome to Brake Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and thank you so much for inquiring on this 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now starting from the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and some of the features. So at the front end, you can see that Mitsubishi has got that dynamic shield look at the front, probably one of the first models to actually get this look. It does present in incredible condition considering its age, and that chrome front grille there does tie in very nicely with the silver paintwork. You've also got the black bar down here protecting the front end. Now the headlights in these models are quite sharp. You've also got the projector beam and the daytime running lamp which runs through there. Down the bottom you've also got the fog lights with the chrome surrounds. Now on the front end the paintwork does present in pretty good condition. If I am being picky, there is a touch up just here, but really nothing concerning considering the age of the vehicle. Make our way to the first wheel. Now beautiful alloys on this vehicle. That one's actually unmarked and that highway tire does have plenty of tread left in it, so good condition there. And along the side of this vehicle, the paintwork does present in remarkable condition considering its age. Color matched side mirrors and door handles. You've even got the indicator built into that side mirror, which does clear up that whole quarter panel and the side of the vehicle and gives everyone around you a clear indication when you want to turn. Now on the door here there are a couple of little touch-ups, but once again nothing too concerning. On the inside of the vehicle, however, you will notice it is in remarkable condition. These seats look like new. Their bolsters are still firm, minimal wear on here, actually no wear if I am trying to be picky there at all. And on the door here, not really many scuffs at all, and where people get lazy and kick the doors open, there is no scuffing on that door as well, so very well looked after on the inside. Now the back windows are privacy glass, so which means you do not get the benefit of UV protection from the tint. So ask us about the darkest legal tint and we would be happy to help you out and get your windows tinted and UV protected as well. That next wheel there, once again beautiful condition, completely unmarked. There's still plenty of tread in those tires as well. Making our way along to the back of the vehicle now. Once again, really good condition back here. It does present in, well, good condition. I'm struggling to actually fault that back end. You've got parking sensors on the back there. You've also got a high mounted stoplight and the rear wiper. Opening up the tailgate. The great thing about these Outlanders is just how much space you actually get in the back here, with the ability to fold those middle seats completely flat as well. They are awesome for storing things, whether you're going to IKEA or going on a camping trip with your family. On the side here you've got your jack and tools, and under here there is even more storage if you wanted to keep anything private under the floor. Closing this back up, we'll keep making our way along to the passenger side of the vehicle. Now on this side here, once again, really good condition. Once again, being a 2016 model, couple of minor touch-ups, but nothing too concerning. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, and that next wheel, once again, really good condition there, and plenty of tread in the tire as well. We'll keep making our way along this side of the vehicle. Once again, does present quite well. And that next and final wheel, the one that is quite often parked next to the curb, probably actually expect to see a little bit more damage on that. That's just some leftover grease, so doesn't actually look like that wheel's been damaged at all either. So really good condition on all four wheels, and the paintwork does present really well for its age. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine. Being Mitsubishi's Myvec engine, it is one of the most reliable engines you will find, so very well engineered, and there's plenty of space around the engine bay as well, which means it's going to be easy for your mechanics to work on. Now the vehicle does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, which means it is going to be very safe. It's even got 7 airbags for you. Power output is 124 kilowatts with a torque rating of 220 Newton meters. Petrol fuel tank holds 60 litres and you can run it on 91. Combined fuel consumption is about 7.2 litres per 100. And average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 833 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is a central locking buttons and your window lock, as well as the toggle for your mirrors. Now on the right hand side here, you've got 4 blank buttons as well as your parking sonar. And above that is the toggle for your actual headlight beam, so you can actually change the angle of your headlights. Next to that is your traction control and a blank button. On the right hand stalk you've got your indicators, fog lights and headlight controls, and on the left hand side all your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel itself, Cruise controls on the right hand side, and media controls and hands-free calls are on the left. Now moving into the center display, if I put it into reverse quickly, you can see you do get the rear bar there, as well as a red line to tell you when you are getting too close to whatever's behind you, and the guidance indicators for your distance. Now in terms of media, you have got your AM and FM radio. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free, and USB input as well. Down here you've got your climate control, so single zone, but you can set the temperature and press auto. The car will regulate the temperature for you. Down here a 12-volt socket, some storage if you did want to put your phone there while it's plugged in, 2 cup holders, and that shifter which is nicely leather wrapped for you. Behind here you've got your four-wheel drive selector, so you can switch between four-wheel drive, lock, eco, or auto. A hard handbrake, and that center console when you open it up. There is a tray here if you wanted to keep your wallet while you're driving. You've also got a USB input there and a 12-volt socket for charging. Behind here, good condition on the back of the seats, on the glove box, and the seats in the back, once again, really well maintained, and that retractable seat belt in the middle, which does go right up into the roof. Now the roof lining, good condition. There is one very minor white mark there, but you'd have to really look for that, to be honest. Rest of the roof does present in good condition, and interior is very, very well maintained. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Outlander. As you can see, has been very well looked after on the inside and out, so you're going to want to protect the paintwork. So ask us about glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty and keep it looking this beautiful for as long as you own it. Now the other thing is premium mechanical protection plan. We'll give you another 5 years of cover on top of whatever existing new car warranty is left on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You will also get up to 10 years of platinum nationwide roadside assistance and much more. So ask us about it, because if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages, and they're going to tailor something to suit your needs, which will work everything in there for you. Now before I go, have a read of our Google reviews, have a read of what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we're going to look after you before, after, and during the sale, make everything seamless and easy for you. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.